Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Mage, I'm a mix engineer. I'll be showing you a quick one on how to use compressors to smooth out and add more depth to your drums. So today I'll be using an optical compressor, the Acme Opticom XLA3 by Plugin Alliance. And I've actually gain staged these drums already, so I won't be doing too much of that. But I have an in-depth video of how I mixed this track in my Patreon, which you can check out. And without further ado, let's hear what we're working on today. As you can hear, the drums are picking already at minus 10 dB, which shows that I have balanced them out already. And what I'll be doing now is adding more depth and more punch using this optical compressor with it. So this is the compressor active without tweaking. As we can hear already, it's been squashed together already. The transients have been killed already by the compressor. So we need now to balance both of them. So we still maintain the same gain and reduction. We have our peak level for the drums and have a minimum of about 2 dB of gain reduction with the compressor. So let's As you can hear that already, there's more punch. The transients are being smoothed out easily already, and you are feeling more depth from the kick. The low end is pushing out more. And we're still on minus 10 dB of gain reduction. So this is a quick tip on how to just use compressors to smooth out your drums, give it more punch, and even out the transients.